Welcome back to FuzeTox channel, and I'm ready to announce that I watched all BlinkOn 18 reports, and you don't need to watch it too, because I create a digest from it, and my top 4 reports from BlinkOn 18. It's here. It's OpenUI and select list. PVA install criteria, news from Chromium, and FuzeTox route to multi-IDP. So, my thoughts are here, and I should say that OpenUI, it's a wonderful thing that can produce outstanding and performant code. The biggest problem in nowadays web platform is a heavy JavaScript written by web developers. However, with simple HTML-only elements, web developers can write HTML/CSS code without relying heavily on JS. This is perfect because JS should not be used for tasks such as creating custom DOM elements, performing heavy calculations, or changing styles. Instead, JavaScript should be used for slight changes in web page behavior, or for retrieving data, made calls to external APIs, and so on. So, progressive web application, you can mention that some sites have install option, and you can install it like usual application from Play Store or App Store on mobile, or from Windows Store, or from Linux or Unix repositories, like common desktop application, but it made from site or web page. So. And these progressive web application requirements becoming simpler, similar to the competition with Apple's Safari, where Apple's Safari browser, where users can install any site, any web page, and Google and Microsoft are trying to catch up with Apple in the PVA field, and it's a good thing. However, for real performance, they should create a new compiler like Crankshaft before. Now they use Turbofan to optimize JavaScript in a better way. Additionally, I should mention digest from the BlinkOn. It's a Lightning Talks, and the first and the second parts of the report are really useful. This Lightning Talks, they have small wrappers, usually less than 5 minutes, and you can view more wrappers in a shorter time, and it's cool. Different topics, different wrappers. So yes, you can watch this wrappers by these links. And thanks for watching. Bye.